want to show you how you can install the timber retaining wall on a steel post. We do it in the one side of the house, and also we do for the next project in this part. But now we want to finish the first project in the left side, and also we install in the side. Then the other one needs to be engineer come and check the holes for it. Not talking about any retaining wall over 600 height. We need the engineering details and inspection to confirm and approve it. So what we did, first we set the line, dig the hole, install the steel post. Is 2.220 deep to the ground and 1 meter on top. And I mark it to not covering. Look, there is a mark. We did the marking because when you fill it by the concrete, you should avoid to concrete over the 1 meter we installing the first slipper. And yeah, this is every 1.2 we install the post, and also we check by the line. The post has an angle. How we install it? We make a level 15 millimeter from the line, then we push it to the line because it needs to be has the angle as the engineering details say. Look again, we level it for two direction, this direction and that direction, 15 mil, 1.5 centimeter from the line, level, and then push back to the line because it needs to be have a slope to the weight in behind it to be more stronger. Okay, each hole used 7 concrete mix bag, and it's set yesterday. We have to wait a few days, but in this case, because it's too deep now, we try carefully just fill up the slipper and back of it. And that's a slipper we're using, 75 by 200. I bought 3 meter, then we can cut for each one. And as I show you, we marked every 200. This is the top one and the other one and going, then we can check where the first one is going there. We connect the ag pipe 100 mil with the socks to the stormwater pipe on the ground, and then when we lay the first course, we cover it by the soil, and we put the soil to stop the water not passing the wall, and then lay the ag pipe in the angle, the water coming that way and then going to the pipe, to the stormwater system. It's up to now, but I'll show you later what we're doing. The next part is we cut the slippers for the wall. We did the first course, laying the pipe, set it the angle 1 to 100. That's mean every 10 meter we need 1 centimeter slope to the drain system. And when we set the first line level under, then we add the aggregate on top of it, and then second line aggregate, and the next line aggregate on top of it. We're going on top, and just for the top course 100 mil we laying the top soil on top garden mix soil on top of the system. Okay, show you later what is going on. Now we're covering the joint by the aggregate. This is a 20 mil aggregate. You can use blue metal or re-aggregate to cover the pipe. This pipe has a socks to stop the soil, and also we have to have a good drain system behind it because it's a 1 meter high wall and lots of pressure behind it by the soil. That's mean about 200 to 400 from the wall. It's coming all the way by the covering and fill up all the way to the 100 mil down by the aggregate and the pipe under. Install the post by the concrete, what you need to do, you should mark the post to 1 meter, like that one, this one. This is a mark 1 meter. Don't come fill up by the concrete more than 1 meter, because the first slipper will sit on this line. And the concrete mix we use the concrete mix bag and follow the line. The others going through. Also we check the slipper to be leveled that side. As I said, we set it 15 millimeter from the line, then we push the post to the line because it has to be angled by the detail. This set all set through. These three as well. I need to install one post for the corner that side and coming to this, and continue a step down, continue, and then down to the end. So guys, now we clean the side of the slippers up to the line all through. For the first slipper will sit on the place, and also if there is a gap, we fill up by the concrete mix. We mix it on the wheelbarrow and then use it to level the first slipper. If we need, we adding on top of the existing concrete for the footing, and then lift up to level as we want. Okay, we continue for install the first course of slippers, concrete slipper. So guys, we fill up by the concrete to level to the line, and the other side for the first course to sitting, not dropping later. So guys, we level underground and lay the pipe after first slipper. The first slipper fill up to the half, and then pipe on top of it, going through, coming to that pipe, and the other one coming to that one, then going through. Guys, the wall will finish there, and we continue to lay the aggregate behind the wall. We fill up to half of the top slipper and going through, then we should fill back by the soil to the wall. As you can see, the top is half of the top slipper, and then fill back and make a slope to the drain from the garden. For planting, we have to dig a hole bigger than the pot, add the good soil, organic garden mixed soil, and then planting and cover it. And we have to level all the top. So guys, the retaining wall completed. Timber in the both side and the fence on top, and the concrete slipper in the front 1 meter high, and laying the turf, all the slope coming, the water is connecting to the pit. there, and everything's done. Thanks for watching us, and see you in the next project. Thank you.